I thought this video will be too long, so I decided to, you know, separate them in 3 videos to make these kind of stuff. So next I made these ones. So these are again the green color squash. I created the wash, and then I used the micro pen and I kind of doodle it, and I carried this book with me again. Then this is again, I love this magenta pink color. Do you know this year's paint on color is also this? So I just decided to try that, and I make it that, I think that time when paint on just released it colors, and I kind of, you know, loved it. Then again the rainbow background, the rainbow colors, I always loved it. And how I created, I will soon post the videos also of that. Again the wash, and I then divided with these the lines, and then I'll create it with line. Again the blues and purples, the wash. Sometimes I use the watercolor, sometimes I spritz with another misty colors or sprays, and it's kind of getting different kind of things here. And then this one, I just spread lots of color, and this just decided to follow with the golden line here. I'll show you just the golden line here and follow that organic pattern. So I did that. Then I want to just go light wash and then color all of these flowers. I don't know, I'm a very colorful person, I like this kind of stuff. Then I put some of the colors here, again drip down method, and maybe I'll create something else with kind of abstract painting. Then I decided to add these neon colors here, just a pop of colors little bit. You can see how beautifully it's gonna generated here. And this one also, this is also some of the neon colors as well as the watercolors. I mixed them, and then I sprayed on this a white gouache. This is a kind of a cloudy background. I didn't decided it what I want to do with it. And this one is my favorite, green and leaves and things that are going on. Oh my goodness, I loved it. And maybe I'll add some more in this. Maybe I'll stop it here. You can see all the details going on here. So I really like that negative thing is diffusing some of the flowers, and some of the flowers are kind of popping off. Then this is my happy color. Today I'm wearing this color. So yeah, I started doodling here, but I didn't complete it, but I really liked how it turned out. And it's very organic. When you are doing this kind of abstracts, you are not restricted yourself, you are just doing with the flow. But as you know me, I love watercoloring so much, like the flowers and leaves, that every time I do something else, it's coming to that and it is seeping in that page. It is in my muscle memory, I think. And this is the another background I created, but I didn't finish it yet. And this one is, oh my gosh, this one is my favorite. I do yellow on yellow. I don't know how much things you're gonna catch on the camera, but this is so beautiful in real life, and it is kind of, you know, going yellow on yellow and golden shades, and all of that stuff is so good. This is again, I put out some inks. I just use the comb to, you know, spread that ink, and this will give me these kind of effects. So yeah, and this is the one thing I did. So soon I will show you that how I created all these backgrounds. So these backgrounds are kind of, I made like 1, 2 and 3 series. Don't watch only the backgrounds, create something else with them. And I will show you the how I created this background also, whichever footage I have. I don't have the whole, but I have some of the footage, and I will share that with you very soon.